Hey there guys, welcome to Imperial Gardens. We're doing a box of Beauty Cup for Tom. So 74-38 box for Tom. So good luck, Tom. First box before his trip to Hong Kong. Okay, Tommy. That's gonna be a good one for you. I have him on Skype on another PC here too, so just so you guys are aware, I'm going to be showing two screens here. So you got 6 cards. Okay. So we got Zach Parise, 249. So Zach Parise. And our second hit. Nice. We have a auto rookie patch of Tomas Hertl out of 99, 3 colors.
Oh shit, yes. Oh nice.
Tomas Hertl. Nice hit. And we have a signature patches of Mikhail Grigorenko for the Sabres. 3 color. Mikhail Grigorenko. We have ourselves a signature renditions Phil Kessel for the Toronto Maple Leaf. Or I guess it doesn't matter, it's all yours anyways. So Phil Kessel.
Okay.
And our next one is a rookie non-auto 249 JT Miller. JT Miller.
So this is the base rookie?
Yeah, just regular base rookie. And we have a enshrinements of Bobby Ryan. Bobby Ryan.
Oh, nice guy.
So nice box, Tommy.